Selamat pagi. Hello, my name is Jin Seon-gong. I am Director General of International Cooperation Department of the Health Insurance Review and Assessment Service in Republic of Korea. Today is a special day to commemorate the 55th anniversary of implementing Indonesia's National Health Insurance Program, which is JKN. I would like to express my congratulations on the benefits that JKN has brought to most of Indonesian citizens and its contribution to strengthening Indonesia's national healthcare system. JKN was implemented through the efforts and the passion of the Indonesian government. Its goal was to ensure that all Indonesian citizens have easy access and high-quality healthcare services. Currently, the Indonesian government and BPJS Kesehatan have achieved the remarkable outcome of almost 93% of the total population being enrolled in JKN. JKN has greatly contributed to the establishment of an efficient health insurance system and comprehensive healthcare services, fostering a health society. In regard to this, I would like to express my gratitude to the Indonesian government and the BPJS Kesehatan for their dedication to achieving such results. Furthermore, BPJS Kesehatan has been actively promoting international cooperation through a Memorandum of Understanding signed in 2019 with Hira for building and enhancing mutual cooperation in the field of national health insurance. We will continue to explore and advance ongoing international cooperation projects with Indonesia in the future. Today is a celebration of the anniversary of JKN, which is a testament to the dedication of many individuals who have contributed to the development and success of JKN over the years, as well as the support from the Indonesian people. In this gathering, we extend our gratitude to those who have created and advanced JKN and wish for a brighter future for Indonesia. Thank you.